Hello to all of my dear friends, welcome back to one more video. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions and I'm so glad that you're watching this video. So today we have a so attractive style and text effect from Bling Bling styles from Hyperpix Collections, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert your text or your logos into this beautiful style and use it in all different projects. So to download this style, all you need to do is just refer to our website, which is hyperpix.net, and just get the VIP membership, and they're going to have a complete access to this style and all the other products you see, and you can use them in all different projects. So follow me to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how in less than 2 minutes you can convert your text into this brilliant style. So like all of our other text effects, this is how it works on Japanese. And also the attractive part, which is logos, we have Reebok logo. Honestly, it looks brilliant. So in this video, I'm going to show you how this Reebok logo is converted into this style. So to get started, like always, we just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In a window which appears here, all you need to do is just type your ideal text with any font you have in mind. I'm just using this default font which we had already. Just going to minimize a little so it fits right here. So I think it's great right here. So it's excellent, everything's perfect. Don't need to do anything else, so just close and click save and wait a moment till the result is applied automatically. And so here is our magnificent result, which you're a witness of. Everything was applied automatically. The 3D effect was applied itself. And what else you want? Just download and click and everything's ready. So I'm going to get on with the rest of the layers. Just before we get started, like always, from the effects folder, we have extrusion right here, which has 3 levels. So by switching off each one of the layers, the 3D effect is going to just be lessened. So if you want to switch it totally off, just switch off the whole extrusion or switch off all the 3 levels. So I suggest you to just leave extrusion off while editing, because this text effect has many layers and it's complicated and it might make your system a little slow. So we'll come back finally and switch it back on. We have adjustments, which is the contrast and color settings. We have these 2 texts at the bottom right here, which you can just edit, move around and change. So the very important part of our Bling Bling styles are the sparkles, which play a very important role. All you need to do is just select them one by one and place them on the edges and the corners of the text. And you just need to have a little patience, because the sparkles are one of those parts that you can't apply them automatically, and you just need to select them one by one. It might take a few minutes, but the result is going to be brilliant and you're going to be impressed. So to not take the time of the video, I won't carry on, but don't forget to continue because they have a very important effect. So we got on with the effects. We have the style folder, which I suggest you to ignore it because it contains the main layers. We have the pattern, which are these diamonds which you see in our text, which you can just double click and decrease the scale, which if you place it on 50, you're going to see that this diamonds are going to be very tiny. Also, you can place it on 25, which is going to make it very, very tiny. Guys, just suggest you to place the scale on one of these 3, 25, 50, or 100. This is the settings which Photoshop has applied for us. So if you select any other style, Photoshop might just make the pattern a little blurry and the quality might decrease. So we have the chain in the next group, which I'm going to just drag it down a little, and the next group is the particles, which are all these cute little particles in the background, which you can switch it off. I'm just going to drag the chain a little down, so it's brilliant. So we had the particles, which I told you about them earlier on, which you're going to see the effect after switching off. We're finished right here. We're going to switch extrusion back on, and it's amazing. So everything's perfect and excellent, so we can use this product. Don't forget to just place the sparkles in the right place. So as I told you earlier on, we're going to try a logo and see how it works. Just insert our logo. I'm just going to use Reebok logo, place it right in the center, right in the middle, right here. We don't need the text. We close. We don't need logo. We just close and click save till our applying is ready. So we have our beautiful result right here, without needing to do anything extra. Just with a single click, everything was applied automatically. Just need to customize a little, switch off the text, bring the chain a little up, and put the sparkles in the right place. So do not take the time of the video, we've got it ready earlier on. And here we have our final result, which is mind-blowing. Honestly, it's so professional. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this product, download it. Just get our VIP membership by referring to hyperpix.net and enjoy this product. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Bye to your next video from Mary.